I got the Stool today, so it has its own little carrying bag. Just slides right in there. Really cool little bag here. Oops, sorry guys. Let's see. Put that on there. Show you that it does fit right into the little carrying bag. If I can put it in there the right way, right? So it's in there. It has a little tightening string. You can carry it around. If you don't want to use the bag, it also has a little clip on here, which is really cool. Just clip it on your belt loop or keys or, I don't know, your backpack, whatever, so you can take it wherever you want. Really nice. This is the cushion that actually spins around. So this is the way you do it. So like you hold it, and then you pull up on it, just whatever height you want. And when you get it to the height you want, you just turn it and lock it in place. Okay, hold on. Here we go. So now it's locked in place. Okay, so this is the actual length I have it at right now. So it's locked in there, but if I want to make it shorter, I can turn it and shorten it and then turn it back and lock it in. Oops. It takes a minute here, guys, but it does work. Okay, so now I've made it even shorter, but then you ready to put it away, turn it again. And now I've made it really short, and then we're ready to put it away, turn it all the way, and it slides all the way back together. So it takes just a second to get the turning part of it to lock in, but once it locks in, it's in. And when I say it's in, I say that because I have a grandson that weighs 135 pounds, and he was sitting on this and spinning around on it and everything, and it withstood all of that. I've sat on it, it withstands me sitting on it, but and I'm a big person, but it's a nice little stool. For taking it out camping, for taking it out to do anything outside, it's fine. I don't see any issues with it. It's really nice plastic. It would withstand any kind of weather, I'm sure. And then, of course, inside, it's great. The kids love it. I like it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know.
This is my ALEVMOOM telescoping camp stool. We actually had bought a tornado seat at a RV show, and it was awesome. It was really cool, but I was going to try and get an extra one, save a little bit of money. And so I want to show you what ended up happening. It all looks like the exact same item, but this one is slightly, I guess I'll say less sturdy. So what ended up happening is that one of these cracked. And so once that happens, because it's telescoping, there's no way to like maybe get rid of this one and it would just be a little bit shorter. It's crucial that you have each of these. And so now it's unusable. The original tornado seat has a 2-year warranty. I've been unable so far to find any kind of contact information on Amazon or even like Google searching so that I can find out if there's any warranty whatsoever on this one. So I'm thinking, lesson learned. I still have the pad. I can use the pad and the tote bag, which were separate when you bought the tornado seat. So the lesson learned. So I just want to save you guys a little money in the long run. It's a super convenient thing. We're full-time RVers, so it's super convenient to have these. They can just be crammed anywhere, just not this particular one. I will update if the manufacturer happens to see my video and offer some kind of warranty information, but so far I can't find any. Just so you know, when I click on the link that says click for warranty information on the Amazon listing, it says contact the manufacturer. So when I go to the manufacturer's page through the jump link, there is absolutely no, I've clicked every single tab, there's no information on how to message, chat, text, anything for ALEVMOOM. So right now I'm high and dry, but I will be ordering a tornado seat, the original, to replace this one. I did like the daisies.
Hi, Blake here with another review. So this is a really cool collapsible stool. So it's really easy. It has these 2 holes on the bottom, 2 holes on the top. You just put your fingers in and twist, boom. But the best part is you can choose exactly how tall you want it. And I'm a pretty big guy, like it holds me perfectly great. And I use this like as a step stool sometimes, so it's pretty good. Highly recommend, definitely 5 out of 5.